How to boost your Wi-Fi on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will see how we can boost Wi-Fi on Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you can forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. For that, head over to your Wi-Fi settings. Once you're on the Wi-Fi, you have to tap on your Wi-Fi or tap on the settings icon, then head over to forget, tap on forget. After that, you have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi, providing your password again. This will fix any unstable connections that might be causing the problem in your device. The second option is to restart your phone and the router. Turn off your Wi-Fi on your phone, then restart both of your phone and your Wi-Fi router. This will clear any network glitches and improve your speed if you have any problem on your internet. And the third option is to update your Android system and application. You have to head over to settings in your device, head over to system, then tap on software update, and you might find any pending updates. So if you have any pending update, make sure to install it. Updates sometimes improves Wi-Fi handling, and it will also help in bug fixing. So you could try that as well. And if that still does not help you, you could reset your network settings. So to reset your network settings, again head over to settings, head over to system. On the system, head over to reset options. Tap on the first option as reset Wi-Fi and mobile and Bluetooth. You have to tap on it, and it will reset all of your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. So tap on reset settings. After that, you may have to reconnect to your network, which will clear any bad configuration and will also refresh all of your networks. And the last option is to place your router in a better spot. Keep it in high up, central, and all away from the walls or electronics. Wi-Fi hates thick wall and metal, so make sure to place it in a right place. So these are some of the ways that will help you boost your Wi-Fi in your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.